In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva's AI video generator to create engaging content. This easy, step-by-step guide will help you produce visually appealing videos that can capture your audience's attention. So, let's dive right in. First, head over to the Canva website and log in or sign up for an account if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the home page, complete with various templates and tools. Look towards the bottom left corner of your screen and find the Apps section. Click on it, and you'll access various tools available within Canva. From here, scroll until you find the Text-to-Image app or simply search for it in the bar at the top. This is Canva's AI generator, and it'll serve as your companion for creating videos. After selecting this tool, you'll see a blank workspace with a sidebar on the left. You need to upload any media you plan to use in your video, like images or previous footage. Make sure they are well organized because, the more streamlined your media library, the easier it becomes to put your video together. With your media loaded, now it's time to choose a template. Canva offers a plethora of templates tailored for different video types, whether you're making a promotional ad, social media content, or even an instructional video. Pick one that best suits your content's purpose. Once selected, Canva's simplicity really shines. You can drag and drop your media onto the timeline in the lower section of the interface. Now, you can get into the fun parts: customizing your video. Hover over your media to see editing options. Canva allows you to trim clips, adjust timings, and add effects with a few clicks. But don't forget the text. Adding text to your video is important for conveying a message clearly to your audience. Click on the Text tool from the left menu to add headlines, subheadings, or body text. Feel free to experiment with different fonts and colors to make your text pop. Now let's bring even more life to your video with music or voiceovers. Canva's library provides a wide range of background music to set the tone for your video. Just navigate to the Audio tab on the left panel, choose a track you like, and drag it onto your audio timeline. Adjust the volume levels so that your voice or key sounds aren't drowned out. Before we wrap everything up, preview your video to ensure everything looks and sounds perfect. Go through each segment of your video, checking that the visuals align with your audio and text. If any adjustments are necessary, now is the perfect time to make them. Once satisfied with your creation, click on the Download button at the top right corner. Choose your preferred video format and wait for Canva to process and render your masterpiece. And there you have it, your very own engaging video, created with Canva's AI video generator. With practice and creativity, you'll continue to enhance your skills and produce even more captivating content in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!